Hi, namaste, Tasidile. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you triangular anchor. First, drive the piton in triangular form. Here you can see 3 pitons which are already driven. After that, pass the carabiner into each pitons. The way of putting carabiner is always from right to left. Pass the carabiner from right and turn it to your left. Then you can use tape sling for anchor making. For that, what you can do is simply you can pass the tape sling into the carabiner like this, as you can see over here. Then lock all the gates. After that, take one more carabiner. With this, take the tape between the pitons together like this. This is how you can make triangular anchor. So after that, what you can do is you can connect the rope on this carabiner. So you can see over here, make just figure of eight and pass it into the carabiner. So from here you can get down, you can rappel down. This is how you can make triangular anchor. You can also make same anchor with the help of piece of rope. First, join the piece of rope like this. After that, here in one side, make clovage and pass it like this. Again, repeat the process on other side and other side. Make clovage and clip it on the piton. Then with the remaining rope, make figure of eight. So make figure of eight like this. After making figure of eight, pass carabiner. In this carabiner, you can connect a rope for rappelling or for climbing. Or what you can do is you can connect rope directly on this figure of eight, as I'm showing here. I hope you understood the technique of making triangular anchor. Thank you guys for watching my channel.